What if your cash could grow quietly in the background while you shop, stream, and travel like you already do? This is informational content sponsored by Crypto.com and should not be considered as investment advice. Trading cryptocurrencies carries risks such as price volatility and market risks. Before deciding to trade cryptocurrencies, consider your risk appetite. Let's start inside the website so you can actually see what this looks like. If we go to this page here, you can see that you can start on a free trial with the first 30 days on them. But what exactly is this? Well, as we can see here, depending on the subscription, you can get 0 trading fees, you can multiply your money, and of course earn on your transfers. In short, when you spend dollars, you earn crypto, and a cashback is really good on this. In fact, there's super high yield cash accounts earning up to 5% in APY. So that's just around inflation, which is great for keeping your money safe. Now, the key difference here, there's no micromanaging, no manual staking, no extra clicks, and your balance earns automatically in the background without you having to do anything. This feels more like a modern cash management than traditional crypto juggling. Now, what exactly is Crypto.com? For anyone new, Crypto.com is an all-in-one financial app. It's built for experienced crypto users and complete beginners. It's got a clean, intuitive interface, and everything lives in one place. So that's spending, earning, or even investing. So normally you would need 5 apps and a bunch of knowledge to get this type of stuff done. But if you just want to earn, you can do so very easily with Crypto.com because it's designed completely for an intuitive experience for beginners. However, if you do have advanced knowledge, it's also going to benefit you massively as well. You can see there's over 150 million users globally, and the sign up takes minutes. It's really designed so anyone can navigate it comfortably. Now, if you have a subscription with them, you actually get a lot more value. This is where the level up program really starts to separate itself from other things. You've got waiver trading fees up to your tier limit, and it makes investing and reallocating far more cost efficient. And because it's Crypto.com, there is just so little friction and less friction than other platforms, especially if you're an active investor or trader. Now, a quick note here is your benefits depend on your level up tier and region. So always check the terms when you are getting involved with something like this. One thing about Crypto.com is they do actually do stock and ETF transfer bonuses of up to 3%, which adds another layer of incentive to actually head over to this platform and give it a try. Now, this isn't just about earning, this is about lifestyle integration. It's about how it fits into real life. What you can get is up to 6% in Crow rewards on everyday spending. Now, Crow is the Crypto.com crypto. It's a very, very successful one at that. They also offer Netflix and Spotify rebates included with the program. So that's just a little added bonus, an extra thing that you can get to get more value. So instead of separating crypto money and lifestyle money, everything works together simultaneously. Now, why does all of this matter? Well, the standing out point here is simplicity. Your money earns while staying usable, and rewards stack without constant management. So instead of having over 10 different apps, exchanges, banks, and all of this stuff, you can actually just have one app, which is this app, and it's going to replace all the savings, spendings, and rewards logic that you would have on those other apps. And it's going to do it in an incredible way that's very rewarding. This is passive optimization, not just speculation. So take your wealth to the next level by letting your money do the heavy lifting. Activate your free 30-day level up trial and watch your cash grow while you live. That's going to be it from me. Links will be in the description, and I will see you in the next one.